Hello, everyone. Welcome to Tale Crafter English. This is your home for stories that inspire, stories that change lives. Today, you're not just watching a video. You're starting a journey to learn English fast, a journey to live your dream life. Are you ready? If you listen carefully, this could be the moment everything changes. Let me ask you a question. Do you dream of a healthy life? A life where you feel strong? A life where you feel free? If your answer is yes, stay with me. I'm going to show you how English can unlock that life. Let's start. Picture this. You wake up in the morning. The sun is bright. You feel light. Your body is full of energy. You walk to your kitchen. There's fresh fruit on the table. You make a smoothie. It tastes so good. You look outside. There's a park near your home. You go for a walk. The air is fresh. You feel alive. Your phone rings. It's your friend from America. You speak English. You laugh. You share stories. You feel confident. This is your dream life, right? A life of health. A life of freedom. A life of connection. Here's the truth. This life is not far away. It's close. And learning English is the key. Let me tell you a story. This is about Sarah. Sarah was just like you. She lived in a small town. She had big dreams. She wanted to travel. She wanted to be healthy. She wanted to meet people. But there was a problem. Sarah didn't speak English well. She felt shy. She felt stuck. Every time she tried to talk, her words were wrong. She was afraid to make mistakes. Does this sound like you? Maybe you want to speak English, but it feels hard. Maybe you feel shy, too. Don't worry. Sarah's story has a happy ending, and your story can too. One day, Sarah said, "Enough. I will learn English. I will change my life." She started small. She listened to easy English stories. She repeated simple words. Apple. Sunday happy. Dream. She wrote them down. She practiced for 10 minutes every day. She didn't need a big school. She didn't need money. She needed commitment. And something amazing happened. After 1 month, Sarah understood simple sentences. After 3 months, she had short conversations. After 6 months, she spoke English with confidence. But that's not all. English changed her whole life. Sarah watched English videos about health. She learned to eat better. She found smoothie recipes. She learned exercises to stay strong. She joined an online fitness group from Australia. She made friends. They spoke English. They shared health tips. Sarah felt stronger every day. Her body changed. Her mind changed. She smiled more. She wasn't shy anymore. She wasn't stuck. She was free. And it all started with one choice: to learn English, to take the first step. Now, let's talk about you. You're here. You're watching this video. That means you have dreams. Maybe you want to travel to England. Maybe you want to talk to people from America. Maybe you want to feel healthy and strong. Whatever your dream, English can help. Why? English opens doors. It connects you to ideas. It connects you to people. It gives you confidence. And confidence builds a better life. Learning English is not hard. You don't need to be perfect. You don't need every word. You just need to start. Let me share 5 simple tips to learn English fast. These tips will also help you live healthier. Ready? Let's go. Tip 1. Listen every day. Find easy English stories, like this video. Listen for 10 minutes every morning. Don't try to understand everything. Just listen. Your brain learns slowly. This is like exercise for your mind. It makes you stronger. It's healthy for your brain. Try it tomorrow. Listen while you drink water. Feel the energy in your body. Tip 2. Repeat and speak. After listening, repeat the words. Say them out loud. Sunday dream. Healthy. Happy. These words are simple. They're powerful. Say them when you walk. Say them when you cook. Speaking English is like dancing. It feels good. It makes you happy. And happiness is good for your health. Try it today. Say one word. Feel the joy. Tip 3. Write it down. Get a small notebook. Write new words. Write simple sentences. I am happy. I like fruit. Writing helps your brain remember. It's like a workout for your memory. It keeps your mind sharp. Try it tonight. Write one sentence. Feel proud. Tip 4. Connect with others. Find a friend who speaks English. Talk to them. Share your dreams. Share health tips. Maybe you like yoga. Maybe you like running. Talk about it in English. One sentence is enough. I like yoga. It makes me strong. See? It's easy. Connecting with people makes you feel alive. It's good for your heart. Tip 5. Be kind to yourself. Learning takes time. Mistakes are okay. Every mistake is a step forward. Don't be afraid. Smile when you try. Smiling is healthy. It reduces stress. It makes you feel good. Try it now. Smile. Say, I can do this. Feel the power. Let's imagine your future. Close your eyes. Picture this. It's 1 year from now. You speak English. You're confident. You're healthy. You wake up early. You go for a run. You feel strong. You make a healthy breakfast. You call your friend from Canada. You talk about your dreams. You laugh. You feel free. Your life is different. You're not the same person. You're better. You're unstoppable. Open your eyes. This future is possible. It starts today. It starts with you. Let me tell you another story. This is about Tom. Tom was a student. He wanted to be healthy. He wanted to travel to America. But his English was weak. He felt nervous. He thought, I can't do this. But one day he watched a video like this. He heard a story. It inspired him. He decided to try. He listened to English every day. He repeated words. He wrote sentences. He joined an online group. He made friends from England. They talked about health. They shared recipes. Tom learned to make salads. He learned to exercise. He felt stronger. He felt happier. After 1 year, Tom traveled to America. He spoke English. He made new friends. He lived his dream. All because he started small. All because he didn't give up. Now, let's talk about health. Learning English can make you healthier. How? English gives you access to ideas. You can watch videos about food. You can learn about exercise. You can join groups. Let me share 3 health tips you can learn in English. Health tip 1. Eat more fruit. Fruit is healthy. It gives you energy. Watch English videos about smoothies. Learn words like apple, banana, orange. Try this. Make a smoothie tomorrow. Blend fruit with water. Say, this is healthy. Feel good. Health tip 2. Move your body. Exercise is important. Watch English videos about yoga. Learn words like stretch, breathe, strong. Try this. Do 5 minutes of yoga tomorrow. Say, I am strong. Feel the power. Health tip 3. Sleep well. Sleep makes you healthy. Watch English videos about sleep. Learn words like rest, relax, dream. Try this. Go to bed early tonight. Say, I am calm. Feel the peace. Let's practice some English now. Repeat after me. Say these sentences out loud. I am learning English. I am healthy. I am strong. I live my dream life. Say them again. Feel the words. These sentences are simple. They're powerful. They're your future. Let's talk about mistakes. Mistakes are good. Every mistake teaches you. When you say a word wrong, you learn. When you forget a word, you grow. Don't be afraid. Mistakes are your friends. They make you better. Try this. Say a new word today. If you make a mistake, smile. Say, I am learning. Keep going. Let me share another story. This is about Maria. Maria was a mother. She wanted to be healthy for her kids. She wanted to speak English. She felt scared. She thought, I'm too old. But she tried. She listened to English stories. She repeated words. She wrote sentences. She joined a health group online. She learned about food. She learned about exercise. She spoke English with her group. Her kids saw her change. They were proud. Maria felt young. She felt strong. She lived her dream. All because she started. All because she believed. Now, let's imagine your day. You wake up. You listen to this video. You repeat 5 words. Sunday happy. Dream. Strong. Healthy. You write 1 sentence. I am learning. You go for a walk. You say, I am strong. You make a healthy lunch. You say, this is good. You call a friend. You say, I like English. Your day is full of English. Your day is full of health. Your day is full of dreams. Let me give you a challenge. For 1 week, do this. Every morning, listen to this video. Repeat 5 words. Write 1 sentence. Say 1 sentence out loud. Do 1 healthy thing. Maybe eat fruit. Maybe walk. Maybe sleep early. After 1 week, you will feel different. You will feel stronger. You will feel closer to your dreams. Let's talk about dreams. What is your dream? Maybe you want to travel. Maybe you want to be healthy. Maybe you want to make friends. Write your dream down. Say it in English. My dream is to travel. My dream is to be strong. Say it every day. Your dream will feel real. Your dream will come true. Let me tell you something important. You are enough. You have everything you need. You can learn English. You can live your dream life. But you must act. Don't wait for the perfect time. Don't wait for more money. Don't wait for more confidence. Start now. Start small. Listen to 1 story. Say 1 word. Take 1 step. Every step brings you closer. Here's another story. This is about James. James was a worker. He worked long hours. He felt tired. He wanted to be healthy. He wanted to speak English. He thought, I have no time. But he tried. He listened to English on his way to work. He repeated words. He wrote sentences at night. He watched health videos in English. He learned about food. He learned about exercise. He joined a running group. He spoke English with them. James changed. He felt strong. He felt happy. He lived his dream. All because he started small. All because he kept going. Let's practice more English. Say these words. Energy, freedom, confidence, health, dream. Say them again. Feel them. These words are your future. These words are your power. Let's talk about time. You don't need hours to learn English. You need minutes. 10 minutes a day is enough. Listen for 5 minutes. Speak for 3 minutes. Write for 2 minutes. That's it. 10 minutes. Every day. After 1 month, you will know more words. After 3 months, you will speak better. After 6 months, you will be confident. Time is your friend. Use it. Let me share one last story. This is about Anna. Anna was a teacher. She wanted to travel to Australia. She wanted to be healthy. Her English was weak. She felt nervous, but she watched a video like this. She felt inspired. She listened to English every day. She repeated words. She wrote sentences. She joined a health group online. She learned about yoga. She learned about food. She spoke English with her group. After 1 year, Anna traveled to Australia. She spoke English. She made friends. She felt healthy. She lived her dream. All because she started. All because she believed. Now, let's end with this. Your dream life is waiting. A healthy life. A happy life. A life of freedom. But you must choose it. You must work for it. Learning English is your first step. It's not just words. It's confidence. It's connection. It's becoming the best you. I believe in you. You are strong. You are capable. You are unstoppable. Start today. Take one step. Live your dream life. Thank you for watching Tale Crafter English. See you in the next story.